Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for child support in Texas. Start by collecting pay stubs, tax returns, custody papers, and the child's birth certificate so you have everything ready. I will walk you through choosing the right filing option, completing forms accurately, and submitting documents to the Texas Attorney General or local court. Follow my step-by-step approach to avoid delays and ensure your case moves forward smoothly and confidently. When filing, start by completing the required application and supporting forms accurately. Include pay stubs, tax returns, and custody details to speed up processing. Submit to the Attorney General for enforcement or to the county family court if you prefer a judge to decide. Keep copies of everything, note hearing dates, and respond promptly to requests. I'll explain common form fields and how to avoid simple errors that cause delays. Texas calculates child support as a percentage of the paying parent's net resources based on the number of children. Report wages, overtime, bonuses, and applicable benefits so the calculation is fair and accurate. If income or custody changes significantly, you can request a modification through the same office that issued the order. I will show examples of how percentages apply and what documents judges typically review to determine the final amount.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.